How I planned our entire financial year for 2025, budgeting secrets that work. For 2025, I've set a bold goal, saving 30% of our household's gross income while still enjoying life along the way. Sounds tough, right? But stick with me. I'll show you exactly how I planned our entire financial year to make this possible, step by step. Hi, I'm here to share my personal journey in managing money. I'm not a financial advisor, just someone on the path to building a financially free future. In today's video, I'm walking you through how I mapped out every paycheck, prioritized savings, and budgeted for everything from bills to fun. And here's the best part, I'll be sharing the exact budget template I used. Step 1. Set clear goals. Step 1 was getting crystal clear on our goals. For 2025, my household has 3 major financial priorities: rebuilding our emergency fund to $18,000, maxing out 2 Roth IRAs with a combined $15,000, and investing as much money allowed by the rules for our new health savings account. We broke these down into smaller, time-based milestones, so we always know what to focus on next. Step 2. Build a zero-based budget. Next, we created a zero-based budget. This method gives every dollar a job, whether it's going toward taxes, savings, paying bills, or having fun. For this, I used the zero-based budget worksheet from Vertex 42, https://www.vertex42.com, which made the process so much easier. I customized the template to match our income and expenses. For example, based on conservative calculations, I estimate we will be working with $3,731.30 bi-weekly after taxes. Automatically before taxes are taken out, $490.73 goes to 401k, and $328.85 to health savings account. Under biweekly pay, we are paid 26 times. Because the payroll is every 2 weeks, then there are 2 months in the year where 3 paychecks are received within a particular month. For our pay cycle, it is May and October. While I was planning out the entire year, another goal presented was to be as automated as possible to minimize the need to constantly update transfers manually. Therefore, all amounts were split into 2 for coverage the entire year, where for the most part, not much is supposed to change until we hit the 3 paycheck months. Therefore, when May and October come around, I will only have to make a manual adjustment for one of the 3 paychecks to be received in that month. We'll talk about that more though once we're in the future. The biweekly budget covers $1,070 rent and utilities, $500 student loans, $75 storage rental, $55 term life insurance, $250 groceries, $250 dining out, fun, $100 gas, $90 cell phone, $15 gym membership, and $250 each for personal allowances, so we can still enjoy life while saving. As we initially rebuild our emergency reserves, $826.30 is budgeted for each check. This $826.30 is the amount from a focused savings perspective that would require some manual adjustment to the automation as goals are complete. First focus is emergency reserves, then Roth IRAs, etc. Step 3. Automate and simplify. Automation is my favorite hack. Our employer allows the use of 3 different accounts for direct deposits. First, the employer automatically transfers 401k and HSA contributions to Fidelity and Optum Bank. Then, the direct deposit sends money to our primary checking account, savings account, personal allowance account. By automating as much as possible, we remove the temptation to spend money elsewhere or the possibility of simply forgetting, especially when we have a busy Friday. This also saves time because we don't have to worry about always manually moving money around every paycheck. Step 4. Track progress. The final step is tracking progress. Every month, we check our spending and savings to see if we're on track. When things don't go as planned, we adjust. The key is staying flexible while keeping your goals front and center. Real life example. How it all adds up. Here's how it all adds up. 21% of our gross income goes to taxes, 5% to employer-sponsored insurance, 23% to needs, 10% to wants, 8% pay off debt, and the remaining 33% to savings and investments. This balance lets us prioritize the future while still enjoying the present. So, that's how I've planned our entire financial year for 2025. We hope sharing our personal journey inspires you to take steps toward your own financial goals. Let me know in the comments, what's one financial goal you're focusing on this year? I'd love to hear your story and learn from your journey as well. I'll be sharing more about how we're tackling our savings goals this year, so stick around if you want to follow along. Thanks for spending time with us today, and we'll see you in the next video.